What's going on, guys? And welcome to another video. I'm Danny Boy 47 here. We're gonna today's video. We're gonna do some multiplayer. I did a couple of multiplayer attempts on the multiplayer, and I pretty much improved. um, I wish you guys would have saw it on video, but I don't know. I wish I could have, but I guess I get too nervous while I'm playing, well, live. I mean, not live, while I'm making video. But, and then we're gonna do some verses as well. So, alright, that's pretty much it. Let's get started with the video. You guys, this is like, I'm really stoked what I did on the on this track right here. It's really gonna be great. It's crazy. Let's do with him. Let's do with Cole, this guy, me, and this other guy. And then I don't know. It just really happened. I just really got those many attempts, and I got that improvement. It was crazy. I'm stoked. I'm stoked, you guys. Like, I'm really stoked. This is like, I can't believe I did it again. I never done this good on the moon races. I was always like not doing that good, like doing bad. And you saw me right there. Just get that safe one right there. Save myself. It was pretty good. It was pretty good. I love this track. I love this map. This track is. It gets annoying sometimes. It gets annoying. It was annoying, but I did it. Got it. Got it under control. And then I kind of messed up on that scrub right there. I would have had a faster time. And then here we go. I messed up right there, and then I start to catch up here. That's me with the purple gear and the blue bike, and then 47. It's my number. And then I do that scrub right there, and then jump that, and then jump that again. Then I think you got to like scrub how the way they're doing it. And then that's how it caught up to me on that one. Um, and then that's it. See on that one, and I did perfect on that one. It was a perfect scrub. And then okay, so you saw a lot of people doing that. So let me do it myself, so you guys can see how I did it, so you won't be distracted. Pretty crazy that I saved myself right there. That's pretty good. I was literally trying to scrub those two, but sometimes it wasn't working for me. So I just had to do it the safe way. Messed up on that scrub right there. Could have been better. So there it is, guys. Um, there's that the final record that I did uh, of this track. It was a really fun track lately. um, we just let me just switch on to verses. All right. First, it's this first subscriber is Pedro Vaganes Zio. I don't know if I said your name, leave it down in the comments. My worst track. I'm prepared to lose by the last one. That was kind of weird. I thought you're not supposed to scrub it all the way like that, or slow down the way you did it. That's pretty impressive. No, don't worry, man. That was actually pretty good. I think I used to took the same line that I did. I think I took the same line before. Pretty. It was pretty good. Let's do Jelly versus Jam. Oh, his track again. .7 40.794. It's not bad. Let's give him a faster time. uh, I could have did a better record, but didn't work out. Next one will be GG the Good, and I know I raced him before, but let's just race him again. I only have like 3 subscribers to race, cause I I deleted all my subscribers because I had like too many, and then I just wanted to delete every single one of them so I can get a fresh start. You can do that one. The Red Bull helmet, bro. You'll get it, man. You'll get it. I know you'll get it, bro. Let's do Mad for Skills. Hmm. Yeah, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Not too bad. There we go. All right. Let's actually send it. All right. I know I've been playing this guy a lot like a day I played on my first video. Uh, well, when I got back to making my videos, I played Sick MXer because he's really fast, and I want you to see how fast he is too as well. Let's check his replay. Yeah, the reason why he beat me, he got that. I went on the wrong line. He went on the right line, and I was trying to get back on the right line like that, and then just get back with him, and then he just caught up, and then I kind of messed up. I think I was supposed to go back, uh, push back up with the bike. See, watch. I go on the wrong line, and then I scrub it right here, right there, and then it gets me a little more power. I mean, more like scrub it really good, and then it'll get you low, like really low to get onto that to that other to tap like the way I did it. He came back, and he did really wonderful. He did like a wonderful job. That's really good, man. Okay. 31.2. All right, let's do it. That was good. That was really good, man. That was really good. Yeah, not too bad. Not too bad at all. Not too bad. I got lucky at that scrub right there, and then kept going now on that one, and then little stoppy right there, and then I would have got that scrub, and then I would have went more, more, more bigger, more the bigger than him, like more away from him, and I just did it like that. Because it seems to me right here he went a little bit too much on the wheelie right there. That's how he got 237. And me just let it flow and just let the bike go and just like let it stay down. 130. My best is actually 30.8 on this track. It's not too bad, but I know I can do more. I can try again next time. Let's send that. All right, let's do jelly versus jam again. I try to save myself. There we go. It was a kind of little too much of a attempts. Sorry about that. Let me give him like a heater on this one real quick. If I don't, then it's alright. Because I know because I think he can get that. Just try it. Yeah. Yep. I actually didn't get it. It's all right though. It's no problem at all. Just gonna have to send it to him like that. All right. I think he'll get this one. I guaranteed. But good luck, man. Yeah, next time TM, I'll race you back. I'm sorry for the delay. My next video, you'll definitely be on my next video, man. Don't worry, man. You'll be in my next video. Promise, brother. All right, guys. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and like and subscribe and comment. What's your favorite what was your favorite lines that I did, or what was amazing about it, or and then my jam records, like kind of like probably freaked you guys out. Just let me know down in the comments, guys, and as always, guys, peace out.